Alright, the washing machine is having some problems. I have a feeling it might be a drainage problem, so we're going to take off the back of the washing machine, undo the drain. And see what we find. First, gotta get rid of this stuff though. Alright, next up, I gotta get this washer and dryer moved out so I can get behind it and unplug to be safe. Alright, so I need to do these screws right here. It looks like they're a hex screw. I think I'm just going to get a socket and take all of these out, and the pump or the drain should be in this area right here. Alright, we got all the screws out. We're about to take the metal plate down. See the guts. Alright, see what we're working with. Okay, let me get a light down here. Alright, this right here is the drain. We're going to take that piece out and pull it out. There's a little filter in it, and hopefully it's just clogged and we can clean it out and put it back in, and we're going to be back to business. Alright, quick tip. I'm going to put this plastic tray up under the drain. More than likely there's going to be water in there, so this will catch it. There we go. Yeah. Some water. Bad thing is, it's not like I can just stick my head in there and look. Alright, I'm going to clean this off. I will say it really stinks what's coming out of there. I'm starting to wonder if my clothes are getting clean. Look how I'm sitting, by the way. Alright, I got another option I could do also. I think I'm gonna get a mirror and just see the reflection, see if I can see what's in there. And I think I could also remove this hose here. So this is the pump. Pumps the water all the way up to this hose, and then it leaves the building. So hopefully that's it. But I think there might be something else clogged in there, because it really stinks. All right, go get a mirror. All right, I'm back. Clean the filter out. I use a Clorox wipe, and got a mirror. So yeah, it's pretty gross. as much as I don't want to, I think I'm going to take this hose off and see if it's clogged also. And I'm going to wipe this area down. Yep. Alright, if you have one of these, this is a Duet Whirlpool washer, I recommend cleaning yours out before you get the era code. Alright, I cleaned out the inside of the pump about the best I could without taking it off. Now I want to disconnect the hose on the other side. Try to disconnect this. Pair of pliers. Catch all the water. That's what you do, you just squeeze it clamp. Take that off just like that. There it is, it's flat. It goes up. Could take this hose out completely and take it outside to the water hose. Let's take this thing here, see if it does not feel clogged there. Alright, I'm going to disconnect this hose, take it outside to the faucet, and run some water through it. Alright, before I take the hose that's inside the washer, I just grab the one that runs off the back. Fit perfectly over my little faucet here. I'm gonna turn the water on and see if anything comes out. All right, looks pretty clean. All right, here's the hose that's inside the washing machine that leaves the pump. All right, I'm going to put the hose on it and see how it does. All right. Oh, fits perfect over the hose. It's pretty clean too. I hope it's nothing electrical, but might put it back together and we'll just see what happens and see. Maybe it was just time to be cleaned up a little bit. Let's check. All right, I'm gonna put the hose back on and crank it up, see if it works. Great news. I was working on the wrong thing. I did some research. And I'm just kidding, it's not great news. Now I gotta take the top off and it's a pressure switch. So I'm gonna unplug it, take the top off, see if the pressure switch damaged. Maybe I can just blow on it like an old school Nintendo game and it'll work. So we're gonna try that before we start replacing parts. But at least I know what it is now.